working out. I feel like we're not meant to be. So today's video is actually going to be me making pineapple tarts. I didn't record an intro video, so here it is. And yes, enjoy the video. Yep, so we have 1 egg, 2 cups of flour, 1 clove, 1 cinnamon, 60 grams of rock sugar, and also 100 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 cans of pineapples. Yep, so pretty much what I'm doing here is pouring all my cans of pineapples into the blender, and then you start blending it up. Yeah, so with my blender, I have to keep moving the pineapple chunks just to make sure that it blends evenly. And here I am blending for an eternity. It's been like many years later. Alright, so what you want to do, pour the pineapple juice out into a strainer and just mix it so then that the pineapple juice will come through the strain. And just keep stirring until you reach just the pineapple itself. So after all that hard work, it came to this. Decided to cook more because 3 cans of pineapple turned out to be like that. Alright, so now I'm finally moving on to the dough. Holy moly, this is literally an hour and a half later because the pineapple juice took forever. So right now all I'm doing is squeezing the butter and flour together so it just becomes a very crumbly type of texture. This is what they kind of do when they make croissants. So here I am still combining and incorporating these together, making sure that all the butter is combined with the flour. Alright, so here I am stirring the cinnamon stick and also the clove and the rock sugar. So now I just sprinkled some flour on the countertop and I just taken out the dough out of the fridge, which has been sitting for maybe about an hour and a half because I was so over it that this is taking so long. So here I am slowly unraveling this dough and then mentally preparing myself for the remaining of this job. So here I am taking my time putting some flour on my rolling pin so then that the dough doesn't stick to the rolling pin. Yep, so I just cut the dough in half, I think. No, okay, I probably didn't. I just went straight in with the whole dough. And I am just rolling it out. Oh no, yep, I did cut it in half. Right. Yep, so obviously I don't have the pineapple tarts mold to cut it with, so I just substituted it with this spoon that I found in the drawer, and I just use that to cut it. It is so ratchet. Yeah, but I am definitely not gonna wait because the mold actually costs about $30 on eBay, so I don't know if I want to invest in that just yet until I master this recipe. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I've just used 2 spoons and just kind of like shaped it to be more circle. So this is what it turns out to be like. It's not the most perfect circle, but you know what? It's homemade, so it's not always perfect. And now I'm just going to cut up some strands and just put it across over it so it looks like a hashtag. So here I am starting to do the hashtag that I mentioned before, and I didn't realize how time consuming this was. I just decided to just do a couple and just give up on the rest and just let them cook because I've been doing this way too long and I'm so tired from that. Alright, so these are the first 2 going in. 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Yep, so this is the final product. If you guys are bothered, I recommend do the hashtags. It does make it look prettier, or else your pineapple, it's gonna plop off. But overall, I give it a 6 out of 10. It definitely wasn't like the Singapore pineapple tarts, but it was not bad. And also there is videos every Monday and Friday, so at 12 PM, so make sure to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on post notification and make sure to be the first one on this video.